I get my helper here today? What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I just go to taco, please?
Yeah. Hey, Rock. Is she pretty? Yeah? All right. Woo!
He's cute.
Huh? Yeah, it's my guy over here, you know?
Yeah, you're all right.
What do you mean, all right?
Can I just get a taco, please?
Yeah, I'm heating it up. What does that mean, though? All right. What else?
Steak, please.
Yeah, steak, no problem. And your day is going good?
It's going.
Okay. What else? Stop smiling at him like that.
I
What
mean,
else?
You know what? At least
Why
you
don't
have a
smile
friendly
at me
employee
like that?
here.
What else?
Because you know what?
What else? You ordered a
Cheese.
steak